Sorry, I'm almost done. This is my actual dorm. I actually live in a suite style room, which I'll explain after I take this off because it's way too heavy and I don't know why it was still on me. That means that whenever you unlock my door from the hall, you enter a lobby area which is shared between 2 rooms. Each room has 2 people living in it, so I have a roommate and then the other 2 people are roommates. You know? I kind of lucked out because I don't have to use a communal bathroom. Shower shoes weren't really my look anyways. You can't hate on shower shoes when you looked like this in the shower 20 seconds ago. I'll do a brief overview of those, but I'm not going to go into detail because for one thing, they're not really that cute. I didn't really do anything to decorate them. And also my roommates and I don't really talk that much. So it would be a little awkward to invade their space. This is the lobby space. It consists of 2 chairs, a lamp, papers that people keep sliding under our door that we don't throw out, a trash can, and a place for a TV, even though we don't have one. Also, I feel like these chairs are something you would find in a doctor's waiting room. Saying. This is the bathroom. It's really echoey. Woo! Sorry, neighbors. There isn't really much I want to say here. Can you see my butt in this clip? Does it look good?
No, it does not.
What up?
It has everything you would need in a bathroom. There's a toilet, a towel rack, a trash can, a pretty nice shower, 2 sinks, lots of under the sink storage, a mirror so I can check myself out. One thing that is kind of weird is the bathroom is like a stall. I live on the right side of the room, so that's what I'm going to be focusing on. Obviously, I don't want to invade my roommate's privacy, but in case you're wondering, it's pretty much the exact same layout, just flipped, although she has a window.
Everything the light touches is our kingdom.
Wow. What about that shadowy place?
That's beyond our borders. You must never go there.
This area isn't really that exciting. I only have one thing hanging up, and it's just this print that I got from Target. If I forget to mention where something is from and you want to know, check my dorm haul video because I mentioned where everything is from in that. I also have this 3-tiered cart, which I would highly recommend getting something like this because it's so functional and I use it all the time. On the top I have snacks and cleaning supplies. Definitely things you should be mixing. In the middle I have chocolatey snacks, gum, and granola bars. On the bottom I have medicine, extra like toothpaste, toiletries, all that fun stuff. This is my wardrobe. It's actually pretty spacious. I had no trouble fitting in all the clothes that I brought with me, and I totally could have brought more. On top I have 2 storage bins. One is this cute crate from Target, and the other is a cardboard box. Here's the thing, I started off strong, and I really cared about what my dorm looked like, but as soon as my mom left me and I had to do all this stuff on my own, it just didn't happen. This mirror actually came already mounted in my closet, and I had purchased a full-length mirror and I had my mom return it because this is good enough for me. I don't take cute mirror pictures anyways. I also installed 3 hooks that I keep all of my necklaces on. My closet door is really creaky. On this door, we stuck up a big command hook that I keep my towel, Turby Twist, and my rain jacket on because it rains pretty much all the time. Below here, the wardrobe has an attached set of 2 drawers, and then on top, I have all of my shoes lined up. Once again, I thought about getting a shoe organizer. It never happened, so this is what we're doing for the rest of the year. And then lastly in here, I just have this set of 3 drawers that I got from Target, and this was just to further organize my clothes. It sounded like there was going to be more to that sentence, but joke's on you, that's it. Moving right along to my bed, aka where the magic happens. Just kidding. Hi, Mom. Nothing happens here. My bedspread is white, and it's from TJ Maxx. This blanket I actually ordered online from Amazon. I originally had a different one, but it didn't match at all. The back pillowcase is just gray and matches the sheets. The other one came with the sham. And then these two pillows are from Overstock, and this front one is from Bed Bath & Beyond. As you can probably tell by the height comparison, I decided to raise my bed really, really high, like an illegal height. It actually goes against the dorm rules because if it's this high and I fall off, I could get injured and sue. But the housing people decided to trust me and raise it anyways. Maybe they just want me dead. I don't know. If you saw my last video, you would get a preview of this, but how I get onto my bed is by taking my foot, Jesus, I'm not flexible, placing my foot right on my desktop because I'm sanitary, putting my hand right here, and pushing off to get up. I love making easy tasks challenging. This is my handy dandy letter board. Some people might use it for like a to-do list or maybe a little calendar. I just wrote welcome to Emo Central. Actually, that's a lie. Olivia put this up here. Whenever I was in charge of it, it was just blank because the letters are under my bed, and that's a lot of thinking and effort. On my left side, we have my leaf garland, and I would say that this is the focal point of my room.
As if the focal point of this room could be anything but me.
My brother actually made this for me because crafts aren't my forte. We went to Michael's and purchased twine and then each individual strand of the leaves, and then he finessed and tied them up in some way and cut them to make it look like this. I feel like I should move the camera so you can see it more. So we're just gonna casually walk on my desk. This is safe. I think it's unique. Also, sometimes if I'm really aggressive in my sleep for some reason and I roll over, I hit the bottom leaf and it makes like a rustling noise, and it scares me every single time. Amazing story, Sydney. Thank you for sharing. It also does a pretty good job of covering up that sprinkler. Shh, don't call housing on me, please. Moving on. Hey, under my bed I keep a few things, the first being this big set of drawers, which came with all the furniture in this room. In here I keep all of my plastic reusable dishes and silverware. Also 2 sponges, which are just wrapped up in a paper towel, this dish soap so I can actually wash my dishes, and my apple cutter, which seems very unnecessary to bring to college, but I just love apples, okay? Why did I think that showing you guys my silverware was entertaining? Oh, this video. And then the only other couple things that are over here are my trash can. Also, my laundry basket is here. It's from Home Goods. Not trying to brag, but it's empty. I'm just so good at this whole living alone thing. But actually it was overflowing until around 11:30 last night when I decided to get my act together and be responsible. Here's my surge protector. It goes right here. I used to get insulted when people would call me monotoned or boring, but after watching that clip, I kind of see your point. Sorry about the constant lighting changes. It's just not good in the dorms. Down here on my desk, I try to keep it as clean as possible because I actually use my desk to do work. Over here I keep all of my makeup stuff, so I have this 3-drawer set from TJ Maxx, and just pretty much all of my makeup and Q-tips and nail stuff is in there. And then on the side of that I have my palettes, and in front I have my mirror, and it actually lights up, which is nice because I'm always getting ready before my roommate in the morning, so I don't want to bother her with a bunch of bright lights. Normally I'll turn on this light and the one above my desk. I also like to keep my headphones right over here so I can plug them in, because sometimes I have to do homework that requires listening and sometimes I just want my headphones. But the most important thing on this side of my desk is my fish. I never properly introduced you guys to my boy Atticus, but I've had him since July. His name is Atticus Fish. Yes, that is a reference to Atticus Finch in To Kill a Mockingbird. If you know, you know. We're having a stare down now. Okay, my contacts are going dry. You win. The back of my desk was this really big bulletin board. My mom and I covered it with green fabric, which I think is really nice because it ties the rest of the room together and it also looks better than just the bulletin board. My desk drawers are exactly what you would expect. The first one pulls all the way out and you can put your laptop on here if you want, but I basically just have random stuff like sunglasses, a wallet, things like that. And then there's 2 lower drawers. The first one just has chargers, really just anything that I couldn't find a home for. And then the bigger bottom one has my textbooks and extra school supplies in it. Okay, I swear I'm almost done. I'm gonna go over what's on top of my desk, but before I do, I have this little section right here, which is shared between my roommate and I. The microwave and mini fridge came with the room, so our school actually provided them, which was really nice. And then this is actually my fan, which I haven't used yet because I was actually blessed with air conditioning. First, I just have these 2 little fake plants that are from TJ Maxx. I also have this frame, which is from Kohl's, and it holds my only 3 pictures in this entire room. I was gonna get a bunch printed and make some sort of collage, but that never happened. No one is surprised. I also have my Instax mini Polaroid, which I haven't gotten to use yet because it needs more film. Box of tissues that I have used because I have already gotten sick because college sucks. Over here I have 2 mason jars that I keep all of my scrunchies in, and then a bowl that my friend Kelsey made for me. I also keep a desk lamp right here, not really for my desk, but actually for my bed. Why am I so out of breath in this? This is the dorm tour. It's not that intense. And finally, above me, I have 2 pictures that I got from Target. I didn't have them originally, but they go with the whole leafy thing. Are there things that I could add to make my room better? Absolutely. Am I gonna do any of those things? Probably not. So that's about as good as my room is gonna get. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I feel like it was really disorganized, so I'm sorry. You can also follow me on Instagram if you want. Bye.